In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a table from PDF to Google Sheets. If you have a table locked inside a PDF and you want to work with that data in Google Sheets, this process is a simple way to get it done. The basic idea is to first convert the PDF into a spreadsheet-friendly format, and then import that file into Google Sheets so you can edit, sort, and organize the data more easily. To begin, open a free online document converter in your browser. You can use a tool that converts PDF files into spreadsheet formats, such as PDF to Excel or PDF to CSV. When you are on the site, look for the option that matches the format you want. Excel files are usually a good choice if you want to preserve table structure, while CSV files can work well for simpler tables. Next, upload your PDF file and start the conversion. Depending on the size and layout of the PDF, this may take a few moments. Keep in mind that if the original PDF has a clean table layout, the results are usually better. If the formatting in the PDF is complex, you may need to make small adjustments later once the file is inside Google Sheets. After the conversion is complete, download the generated spreadsheet file to your computer. This will usually be an XLSX file if you chose Excel, or a CSV file if you chose CSV. Save it somewhere easy to find, such as your Downloads folder or desktop, because you'll need to select it in the next part of the process. Now, go to Google Sheets and open a blank spreadsheet. Starting with a blank sheet helps keep the import process clean and makes it easier to decide how you want the incoming data to be placed. Once the blank spreadsheet is open, click File, then Import, and then choose the Upload tab. Google Sheets will upload the file and give you a few import options. At this stage, choose either Replace Spreadsheet or Insert New Sheet or Sheets, depending on how you want the data added. If you want the imported table to take over the current blank file, choose Replace Spreadsheet. If you want to keep your current sheet and add the imported data as a separate sheet, choose Insert New Sheet or Sheets, then click Import Data to finish. After the import completes, your table should appear in Google Sheets, where you can review the formatting and make any needed cleanup. And that's it. You've successfully moved a table from a PDF into Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.